Convicted serial killer Anthony Kirkland appeared in a Hamilton County courtroom today. He is trying to get his death sentence overturned, and that try is now in the process. Kirkland appeared before the judge who sentenced him to death for the 2006 murder of 14-year-old Casonya Crawford and the 2009 killing of 13-year-old SCPA student Esme Kenney. Before his trial began, Kirkland pleaded guilty to killing two other women. He'd also previously served a 16-year sentence for killing his girlfriend. In May of this year, Ohio Supreme Court justices ruled Kirkland should get a new sentencing hearing. Their decision stems from a federal court ruling on a similar case in the state of Florida. Even though justices did not grant Kirkland a new trial, the prosecutor says they'll basically have to put on a whole new trial so that a new jury is familiar with the crimes that Kirkland committed. Assistant Prosecutor Mark Piepmeier says that's the only way those jurors will be able to decide if mitigating factors presented by Kirkland's attorneys warrant sparing him a death sentence.
This guy is evil in capital letters. He's just a horrible human being, and there's just nothing good about him.
Piepmeier says it's terrible. The victims' families will have to go through this again during today's hearing. Judge Charles Kubicki disqualified himself at the prosecution's request. Piepmeier expressed concern that since the judge had already sentenced Kirkland to death once, a second death sentence could open the case up for other appeals. Once a new judge is assigned, a new jury will be picked, and those jurors will hear arguments and decide whether to recommend the new judge give Kirkland the death penalty or life in prison.
Hamilton County